Good morning to everyone. Please watch this video till the end. Subscribe me and press the bell icon. My name is Abhishek Srivastava, and today we are going to do the topic factorization, splitting the middle terms of subject maths of class 8th. So please be concentrated to understand the questions and how they are being done. So we are going to proceed with the theory of the factorization. This is our quadratic equation. A quadratic equation means it is having the maximum power of 2. You can all see ax square plus bx plus c. So here is the coefficient of x square, here b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. So there are three terms being involved in this quadratic equation. So now in splitting the middle terms, we have to find the product of AC, the coefficient of x square and the constant term. We have to find the product, and we have to factorize this and in such a way that the sum of these two parts of this product is equal to the sum of bx or the middle term. So we split AC into two terms, which is equal to the sum of the middle term. So in this way we are going to proceed with the splitting of the middle terms. So now we are going to proceed with the question. So the first question is ax square plus 5x plus 6. So here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. So the product of AC comes out to be 6. Now we have to split in such a way that we get plus 5, which is equal to the middle term, that is 5x, the coefficient of x. So we can factorize this. 6 is being factored. It is an even number, so it is divisible first by 2. So it comes out to be 3. Again, it is divisible by 3. So the factors come out to be 2, 1 into 2 into 3. So these are the factors. We have to split them. We have to find the two groups that make up the sum 5. So it can become x square and it can be split into 2 and 3. 2x plus 3x becomes 5x. So we can write x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Now there are 4 terms, taking common from the first two terms, taking x common from the first two terms. So x plus 2 from the first term, taking common 3 from the second two terms, last two terms. So x plus 2. So again taking common x plus 2, and we are left with x plus 3. So the factors obtained are x plus 2 and x plus 3. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is being split into the two factors, that is x plus 2 and x plus 3. So we are going to understand this question once more. The question given to us is x square plus 5x plus 6. Here we will find AC, comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c. So the coefficient of x square here is 1 and the constant term is 6. So we are multiplying it, 1 into 6, that becomes 6. So we'll take the factors of this number 6. So this is an even number, so it gets divisible by 2. So it comes out to be 3. Again, it is divisible by 3. So the factors coming out are 1, 2 and 3. We have to find the two groups which make up the sum plus 5x, which is equal to the middle term. So it can be 2 and 3. So 2x plus 3x, that becomes 5x. So it can be split into 2x and 3x. So substituting the values. So now the expression becomes x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So taking common x from the first two terms. So inside we are left with x plus 2. From the last two terms, taking 3 common, so it becomes x plus 2 again. Taking x plus 2 common from the whole, so x plus 2, and we are left with x plus 3. So there are two factors, x plus 2 and x plus 3. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is being split into x plus 2 and x plus 3. So I think you all might have understood this. You can note it down. So now we are proceeding to the next question. Again, splitting of the middle term. So I'm rubbing the board to write the next question. The next question is x square plus 7x plus 12. So we have to split this again using splitting of the middle term. Again, we'll find AC. So the coefficient of x square, that is a, here is 1, and here the constant term is 12. So 1 into 12, that becomes 12. So now again we'll take the factors for 12. So it is an even number, so it gets divisible by 2, so it comes out to be 6. Again, this is an even number, so it is again divisible by 2, so it comes out to be 3. 3 is divisible by 3, so the factors that come are 2, 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. These are the factors. We have to make two groups such that the sum becomes 7x, which is equal to the middle term. So here it can become 4 and 3. 2 into 2, that becomes 4, and 1 into 3, that becomes 3. So 4 and 3. So 4x plus 3x. So it is x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. So taking common x from the first two terms, so it becomes x plus 4. Now taking 3 common from the last two terms, so it becomes again x plus 4. Taking x plus 4 common from the two terms, so we are left with x plus 3. So the factors obtained are x plus 4 and x plus 3. You can all note it down. We are going to understand this once more. The question given to us is x square plus 7x plus 12. So now the coefficient of x square, that is a, here is 1, and c, here is the constant term, that is 12. So 1 into 12, that becomes 12. So now taking the factor of 12, 12 is an even number, so it gets divisible by 2, so it becomes 6. Again it divisible by 2 because it is again an even number, so it comes out to be 3. 3 is divisible by 3. So the factors obtained are 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. So it can be split in such a way to make 7x, so 4 and 3. So we can write x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Taking x common from the first two terms, so x plus 4. Now taking common 3 from the last two terms, so again it is x plus 4. So x plus 4 and x plus 3, they are two factors. So now this is our answer for this question. So again we are proceeding to the next question for splitting of the middle term. So I'm rubbing the board. So the next question, that is x square plus 3x plus 2. Very simple question, or you can say the basis of factorization of splitting of the middle terms. So here the coefficient of x square is 1, that is a, and the c is 2, so 1 into 2, that becomes 2. So we have to take the factors of 2. So 2 gets divisible by 2, so it becomes 1, 1 divisible by 1. So the factors obtained are 2 and 1. So we can write this as 2x plus x, that becomes 3x, which is equal to the middle terms. So it becomes x square plus x plus 2x plus 2. So taking x common from the first two terms, so it becomes x plus 1. So again taking 2 common from the last two terms, so it becomes x plus 1. So taking x plus 1 common from the two terms x plus 1, we are left with x plus 2. So these are the factors obtained, x plus 1 and x plus 2. You can all note it down. We can understand this question once more. X square plus 3x plus 2. This is the question that was given to us, and we have to factorize it with the help of splitting of the middle terms. So the coefficient of x square here is a, and c is equal to 2. So 1 into 2, that becomes 2. So we have to take the factors of 2. So 2 gets divisible by 2. So it becomes 1. 1 is again divisible by 1. So the factors obtained are 2 and 1. So now it can be split x square plus x plus 2x plus 2. Taking x common from the first two terms, so it becomes x plus 1. Taking 2 common from the last two terms, so it again becomes x plus 1. So taking x plus 1 common from the two terms, and we are left with x plus 2. So the factors obtained are x plus 1 and x plus 2. So this is the answer for the question x square plus 3x plus 2. So now we are proceeding to the next question. So I'm rubbing the board. So the next question is x square minus 5x plus 6. This is the next question. But here the coefficient of the middle term is minus 5. So we have to split this in such a way that it comes out to be sum as minus 5. So the coefficient of x square here is 1. The coefficient that is c, the constant term, is 6. So it becomes 6. Taking the factor of 6, it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So it comes out to be 3. 3 is divisible by 3, so it comes out to be 1. So the factors obtained are 1 into 2 into 3. So we have to split it in such a way that the sum of the middle term becomes minus 5. So it can be split into minus 2 and minus 3. So here it will become x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. So taking x common from the first two terms, x minus 2. Taking minus 3 common from the last two terms, so it is again x minus 2. So it comes out to be x minus 2 and x minus 3. So the factors obtained are x minus 2 and x minus 3. So you can all note it down. Here the question, we can understand this question once more. The question given to us is x square minus 5x plus 6. So now the constant term, that is 1 for x square, the coefficient is 1, and the constant term is 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. So we have to take the factors of 6. So here it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2, so it comes out to be 3. 3 is again divisible by 3, so it comes out to be 1. So the factors obtained are 1, 2 and 3. So the coefficient of the middle term is minus 5. So we have to split it in such a way that it becomes, according to the sign, it should come out to be minus 5. So what we will do, we will split it into minus 2 and minus 3. So it becomes minus 2x and minus 3x. So the whole expression becomes x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Taking x common from the first two terms. So x minus 2 inside the bracket, minus 3 from the last two terms, again x minus 2 inside the bracket. So x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors obtained for this question. So I think you all might have understood this. So please note it down. Watch this video till the end. Subscribe me and press the bell icon. There is a motivational thing for acquiring education. So one statement for as motivational quote for you all. It is about a great scientist, Albert Einstein. You can write down the quotation said by Albert Einstein. Intelligence is not knowledge. Intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. But imagination. It is being said by Albert Einstein. You can all note it down. This is a very famous quote for Albert Einstein says, intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. And it always lays an stress on intelligence, on understanding of things and to find new things. So be motivational to acquire knowledge. Thank you to all.